In this video, I will show you how to connect your Namecheap domain to Shopify. So first, go to open up Shopify and click Settings in the bottom left. Now here you want to head into the domain section right here. Then within your domains, click on Connect Existing right here and type in the domain. Now you have two options. You can either do your normal domain, which for me is this right here, or you can do a subdomain such as shop.yourdomain.com. I'll do the second option, so shop.mydomain.online in this case. Then click Next. Now Shopify makes this very simple. You don't have to do that much. Now from there, Shopify is going to give you some DNS records. So we need to sign into Namecheap and add this record. Type CNAME, the name is shop. This could for you be www or something else. And then the current value is empty. We need to update it to this right here. Now go to your domain and click Manage. Now, if you don't have any DNS records yet, these steps may be a little bit different for you. Just gonna follow the steps that it says right here. So go to your advanced DNS and then find the DNS record. And then here I don't have a CNAME for shop yet, so I'll add a new record with CNAME, host being shop, and then paste in shops.myshopify.com. Then click Save Changes and we've added the CNAME record. Click I updated DNS records. Then it is going to be checking it, but it can take a couple of minutes or even a few hours for it to connect. So I'll just wait for this to connect. And then after a little bit of time, it will say domain is live in this many regions globally. So right now for me, it's connected in North America, Africa, and Europe. And in a couple of minutes, it will also be connected to Asia, Australia, and South America. But now when I open up this domain, it will lead me to my website. As you can see here, if I search for my domain, it now leads me to my store, which is currently closed. So for me, it takes me to the password page right here. But that's how you can connect your Namecheap domain to Shopify. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.